Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today in this video, let's learn about how to renew your Payoneer account. So let's get started. At first, we need to know that if we have deleted our Payoneer account, we cannot actually renew or reactivate it. It is deleted permanently. But what we can do is we can simply create new accounts. For that, let's get into any browser and search for Payoneer. After that, we can get into register over here, and you can register your company or if it's for your individual. Click on next and select the country, and we need to enter all of the details required here and click on next. Let's click on OK. Fill up all of this information here, including your personal details and your company details as well. Once all of this is done, click on next and your account will finally be created and you can simply start it new. But if you want to renew your card, simply sign in here. After that, we need to simply click on this profile icon over here on the top and click on support center. Now scroll down and let's get into card and click on ordering and activation. Now we need to simply click on activated if it has been deactivated. After which your card will be renewed. But if you want to renew your account, you need to simply sign up again and create new account. So that was all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.